Hello, everybody. The physical world is composed of living and non-living things. They are generally referred to as the biotic and the abiotic. The abiotic is the physical objects like rivers, mountains, volcanoes, and water bodies. The biotic is the world of flora and fauna. The word flora is used to designate plant life. The word flora is derived from the Latin name of Flora, the goddess of plant. Flowers. The Roman mythology, Flora is the goddess of flowers and of the season of spring. Flora was a symbol of nature and flowers and fertility in Roman mythology. So here in this video, first of all, we are going to learn about flora and then fauna. As a fauna is all the animal life. Fauna's name derived from to favor nurture because it was believed by the ancient Roman religion that fauna is the goddess who nurtures all that is useful to living creatures. So let's start. First of all, we are going to discuss about the national plant, that is lotus. This is in Hindi called as Kamal ka Phool. And generally these are found in white and pink color and they grow in shallow and murky water. Lotus flowers enjoy warm sunlight and are intolerant to cold weather. The floating leaves and lotus flowers have long stems which contain air space to maintain the buoyancy. The lotus plant is an aquatic plant. It means ये पानी में उगता है, पानी में और तैरता है क्योंकि इसमें जो स्टेम्स होते हैं ये हॉलो होती हैं. Now next is banyan tree. इसको हिंदी में हम बरगद का पेड़ भी बोलते हैं. आप ये हिंदुस्तान में बहुत पाया जाता है. इसको देखते ही बच्चे भी इसको पहचान जाएंगे कि ये बरगद का पेड़ है. It is the national tree of India. The leaves of the banyan tree are large, leathery, glossy, green and elliptical, like most figs. Now next, आंवला. इससे मेडिसिन बनाई जाती है. It is full of vitamin C. The tree is small to medium in size and the fruit is nearly spherical, light greenish yellow color and it is sour in taste. Sometimes bitter also, and it is very good fibrous fruit full of vitamin C. अमलतास. ये आपको दिख रहा है, ये फ्लावरिंग प्लांट है और बहुत सुंदर दिखता है. ये commonly known as golden shower और अमलतास के पेड़ बोला जाता है इनको और बहुत सुंदर दिखाई दे रहा है. The tree has strong and very durable wood. Now बांस. It is not unknown to you. बरेली is also known as the बांस बरेली. यहाँ पर बैम्बू वर्क बहुत होता है, बैम्बूज मिलते हैं, बैम्बू का काम होता है, बांस बरेली बोला जाता है. यहाँ पर बरेली में आप देखोगे कि बांस मंडी भी एक जगह है. The origin of the wood bamboo is uncertain, but it is probably comes from the Dutch or Portuguese language. इससे फर्नीचर बनाया जाता है, बहुत सारे यूटेंसिल्स भी बनाए जाते हैं. एंशिएंट टाइम में इनको स्टोरेज बनाया जाता था. कई लोग इसको फ्लावरिंग पॉट के रूप में भी यूज करते हैं. Now as you can see, this is a peepal tree. हिंदी में हम इसको पीपल बोलते हैं. Scientific name is written here. You can learn it. Now it is a sacred fig, is also known as the Bodhi tree. बोधि ट्री भी बोलते हैं. गौतम बुद्धा को एनलाइटमेंट मिली थी इसी ट्री के नीचे और यही ट्री जो है 24 घंटे 24 hours ये ऑक्सीजन देता है. The trunk of this tree is used by farmers as a soil leveler. After seed harvesting, the rectangular shaped trunk is connected to tractors and levels the soil. Next is Ashoka tree. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि घर के आगे सब लोग अपने घर के आगे सुंदरता बढ़ाने के लिए अशोक ट्री को लगाते हैं. It looks very good. Look at the shape of the leaves here. This is found in India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. Now this is a mango tree. Everybody loves mango. ये मैंगो जो ट्री है ये इंडिया का नेशनल फ्रूट है. ये बहुत इंडिया में बहुत पाया जाता है. It is a national fruit of India, Pakistan and Philippines also. And it is a national tree of Bangladesh. इससे बहुत सारे हम लोग जैम बनाते हैं, आमरस बनाया जाता है, अचार बनाया जाता है. We like mangoes very much. मैंगो पन्ना तो आपने खाया ही होगा. Now this is a gulmohar tree. You must have seen these trees here in Bareilly, also in some places, in some colonies, people they plant this tree. But this is a flowering plant, and look at it is called as gulmohar. Saffron, you can see saffron. In Hindi it is called as kesar. Saffron is a color in our national flag also. It is a spice derived from the flower of Corycus sativus, commonly known as the saffron crocus. ये ज़्यादातर जम्मू कश्मीर में इसको उगाया जाता है. Parijat. The word Parijat refers to the night flowering coral jasmine. You must have seen these plants. आपके स्कूल में भी ये लगा हुआ है. इसको हम बोलते हैं पारिजात. Jasmine. In Hindi it is called as chameli. ये फ्लावर भी आपको मिलता है. ये इसके पूजा में चढ़ाया जाता है. इसको अपने बालों में भी लगाया जाता है. टू डेकोरेट मालाएं बनाई जाती हैं. Now this is ब्रह्म कमल. ब्रह्म कमल ये इंडिया के हिमालयन रीजन में होता है. इसका flowers bloom in mid monsoon, July to August, among the rocks and grasses of the hillside. The lotus of Brahma, the lotus of Brahma. That's why we called it Brahma Kamal. Now we will learn about the fauna of India. Fauna, as I told you, it is a group of animals, different type of animals, reptiles, birds. So we will learn few animals, birds and reptiles which are found in India. Now, first of all, it is the national animal of India, the magnificent tiger. This is a Royal Bengal tiger. It is a national animal of India. Next, this is the national bird of India. Yes, this is peacock. Beautiful peacock. Kashmir stag. This is found in Jammu and Kashmir. It critically endangered species. The Kashmir stag is a native of India and found only in the hilly northern region. Now see, this is called as the snow leopard. The beautiful exotic animal is also one of the most endangered species and is found only in the extreme mountainous region of South and East Asia. हमारे इंडिया में भी ये हिमालयन रीजन में पाया जाता है. Now this is a black buck. पंजाब, हरियाणा, आंध्र प्रदेश में ये पाया जाता है. Black buck. Now look at this. This is called as a musk deer. Deer में भी बहुत सारे deers होते हैं, different types of deer. Now this musk deer is found in Uttarakhand. कस्तूरी हिरन बोलते हैं जिसको. Now राजस्थान का ये camel है. इसको sheep of the desert भी बोलते हैं. It has hump. Now this is the swamp deer. It is found in UP and MP. Look at the deer. बारहसिंघा। ये देखो इसके जो एंटलर्स हैं इसको बारहसिंघा बोला जाता है। किसके? 12 हॉर्न्स होते हैं। सिंग मतलब हॉर्न होता है, एक के एक ब्रांचेस होते हैं हॉर्न के। Now this is Gaur. This is found in Nagaland, Bihar and Goa. A strong and massive Indian bull. The Gaur is on the red list of extinction. Red list of extinction means ये अभी endangered animal है, ये खत्म होने ही वाले हैं अगर हम इसको मारते ही रहेंगे ऐसे तो। सिक्किम में आपको मिलता है रेड पांडा। आपने ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट pandas देखे होंगे, but this is a red panda. Slightly longer than a domestic cat, the red panda is super furry and has a long tail. It waddles along rather than walking due to its shortness. Red panda survives mainly on bamboo, but it does eat birds, eggs, insect, etc. Now look at this one horn rhino. Rhinoceros बोलते हैं, जो आसाम में पाया जाता है. Found mostly in Assam, West Bengal and some regions of Nepal. The rhino is pretty hairless and has a huge bulk. Except for newborn rhinos, both the male and the female sport one horn on their nose. Now next is Gael. This is found in Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. It is a large type of a bull. Northeastern region में पाया जाता है. Now we will see few birds which are found in India, and few they come from other countries. They migrate to our countries. Now look at the picture. Pigeon, Indian roller, great hornbill, white-winged wood duck, house sparrow. This is very common. House sparrow. Indian grey hornbill, hill myna, मैना जो होती है, house sparrow, flamed throated bulbul, flamingo, black francolin, western tragopan, black-necked crane, Asian कोयल, Indian roller. फिर से hornbill आ गया है. It is of different color. It is found in Kerala. Black-necked crane in Ladakh. Shooty tern, Lakshadweep. आपने Arctic tern के बारे में पढ़ा होगा, but it is shooty tern. It is found in Lakshadweep. Indian paradise, flycatcher. मध्य प्रदेश में मिलती है ये. Yellow footed green pigeon. Look at the beauty of this pigeon. Now, मैना के different types हैं. Okay, all these are found in our country. There are so many. Now everybody can recognize this. This is a national reptile of India, king cobra. You have seen this is the world's longest venomous snake, which is capable of growing up to 19 feet and may live up to 25 years, has its own cultural significance in Hinduism. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.